The location of the video is on North-South Road, approximately 1 mile north of the Kroc Center exit. Watch to the end so you can see the outcome.
I need the police. I just got hit by a car and they took off.
Okay, are you hurt at all?
No, I'm alright, but she took off the side of my car.
No, that's okay, sir. I'll connect you to police. Are you blocking traffic?
No, I'm still moving.
Okay, I'm gonna connect you to police. Are you following her?
No, I got a Dashcam, so I got everything on video. But I'm a little. Yeah.
All right. Hi, police can help you.
Yeah, I need to talk to a police.
Good afternoon. The reason I stopped you is for driving over the speed limit. I've obtained your speed between 93 and 90 miles an hour. When you got on the freeway at Mission Road, I was right behind you. You entered the freeway, and I've seen you driving very unsafely throughout the last 10 miles. Is your driver's license?
On Mission Road?
What's that?
You said you saw me on Mission Road?
Yeah, Mission Road when you got on the freeway. From Fallbrook, when you got on the freeway.
We just came from Rainbow. I jumped on out. We just came from Rainbow, the Rainbow exit.
That's how you get on there, Mission.
I didn't realize I was going that fast. I mean,
okay, look, I'm kind of giving you an out. I don't want to write you a ticket.
Okay.
But you're doing, like I said, I think you should be to 93 miles an hour, and right down here, you're doing about 90. You're just passing everybody. I've seen you pass over 100 vehicles. I'm trying to find out what's going on, why you're driving like that.
Basically, because my buddy's giving me a little time limit to get there. That's all.
Speed limit out here is 70.
Okay.
I don't want you to crash out here.
Okay.
You're splitting traffic, speeding, not even using the normal 1 and 2 lanes. People are going to expect you there. They're going to change lanes, and it's going to cause an accident out here. Okay. Hang tight here. I'm not planning on writing you a ticket.
Okay.
I'll give you a warning, but I'll be right back and run your license.
Okay.
I did. Okay, go just speed up on the shoulder, watch out for the debris.
Okay.
Then pull out into traffic when it's safe and clear. Watch out for that little gap between the asphalt and the concrete. Your front tire can get stuck in that.
Okay.
All right, you're free to go.
Thank you, appreciate it.
East 911, you need medical, police, or fire?
Possibly medical. I haven't checked yet. I was just hit on I-10 heading east, coming from Katy towards Houston. So there's at least 2 cars involved. I need to go check to see if they're okay, but they're on the other side of the freeway.
One moment. Use the fire and medical. What's the location of your emergency? No one transfer. Thank you. Caller, what's the location of your emergency?
I'm on I-10. I'm right at exit 750. I'm actually in the median of the exit and the freeway, right before the barrels.
What direction were you traveling? Are you on the Katy freeway headed westbound or eastbound? Or are you on the feeder?
Heading eastbound on I-10, coming from Katy towards Houston.